So in this question we've been given that in a fluorescent lamp choke 100 volts of reversible voltage is produced when choke changes current from 0.25 ampere to 0 ampere in 0.025 milliseconds. The self-conductance of the choke is estimated to be, and we have to find it in millihenry. So the self-inductance of the choke is to be found. Alright. Now, the fluorescent lamp choke will behave as a conductor. Therefore, the formula for its voltage will be voltage minus L di by dt is equal to 0, where L is the inductance, di is the change in current, and t is the time taken. So, let's substitute the values for these. The voltage has been given as 100 volt and the change in current is 0.25 amperes and the time taken is 0.025 milliseconds. So we have multiplied this by 10 raised to power 3. Now from this formula we can easily find out L, right? So let's try to calculate this. Now L will be 100 into 10 raised to power 4 Henry, which was 10 millihenry.